Sportradar automated video production is our solution for indoor sports, enabling the fully automated production of live and on-demand video content with ultra-low latency and exceptional production quality. We work as a production and technology partner for rights holders and event organizers. We do not simply deliver camera systems, we provide a fully integrated end-to-end solution seamlessly embedded within our clients' environments to deliver the highest production quality. Our automated production solution is an indoor solution adaptable across a wide range of sports, with a primary focus on basketball and a strong presence in ice hockey, volleyball, futsal, and handball. The solution is currently deployed in approximately 1,200 supported arenas worldwide, whilst also supporting the coaching needs across matches and practices from 130,000 recordings per year.
We automate all aspects of producing and distributing sports content, from the moment the fixture is planned to when a stream is viewed by the fans or reviewed by a coach. It always starts with image quality. Our production experts really work closely with the leagues, the federation and the venues to ensure our cameras are fine-tuned to the exact specification that the venue needs. And then from there, automation plays a key role. Our automated framing solution follows the action at all times and ensures that the camera motion is always super smooth, even in the most complex gameplay situations. We also deliver hybrid production solutions. We keep the same level of trusted automation and we allow to add some human touch to make the production even a step above. For a right holder that uses Sportradar automated video production, they will be able to completely take control over their own productions. And they will be able to do that at a fraction of the cost of what a traditional or manual TV broadcast operation would be. And also, with our automation, we really standardize the quality across all arenas.
The partnership with Sportradar is excellent because we have in Sportradar people who understand our needs, who understand who we are. It's the best relationship you can have when people are not only talking about contracts, about money, but also how you can improve what you do together. The automated cameras are very useful to us. For instance, for the Elite 2, the second division championship, which is broadcasted by BFM, it's local networks. And the Sportradar technology is used by these channels directly because it's broadcast quality, so expectations are very high. It can be a game changer for us. More quality with different angles, better experience for fans, for people who are watching the games. It allows us through these cameras, through these systems, through this technology to make French basketball more famous.
We work with Sportradar since 2020 and our partnership has grown a lot over the years. At the time we were already using automatic camera through Synergy, so when Sportradar acquired the company it felt very natural to continue and extend the partnership. Today Sportradar is a key strategic partner, providing data collection with Synergy Sat, automatic production, EVO graphics, OTT services, and also acting as our main commercial partner for international media rights distribution and betting. Automatic production was a strategic choice for the LNB because it allows us to increase the coverage while remaining cost efficient. We have automatic cameras installed in 36 arenas across Betting Elite and Elite 2.
On utilise beaucoup les caméras au quotidien, qu'aujourd'hui dans le basket moderne on ne peut pas faire sans. L'impact, je dirais, il serait peut-être sportif, à savoir bon, les caméras nous permettent de travailler dans des très bonnes conditions. On est en contact quotidiennement, régulièrement avec les entraîneurs du centre de formation, on les voit tous les jours. Donc ils l'utilisent également, hein. Voilà, donc ne serait-ce que pour télécharger leurs propres matchs, mais également pour filmer leurs entraînements.
Sportradar is making significant and ongoing investments in AI and computer vision, and our partners directly benefit from these innovations. Our automated video production solution serves as a gateway into the broader Sportradar innovation and product ecosystem. Powered by cutting-edge AI and computer vision, it transforms live video into a dynamic, data-enriched experience. Beyond automated production, our customers and partners can unlock advanced coaching intelligence, real-time player tracking, immersive video augmentations, reverse support tools, and continuously evolving further capabilities.